How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag and steering wheel on Alfa Romeo 159, Brera and Spider. First thing you have to do is remove the plastic on the bottom of the steering column, and to do that you got 4 3mm Allen screws you gotta undo. Now I'm gonna use my plastic trim tool to separate the top and the bottom. And there it is. I'm gonna take my key and I'm gonna start the car. And I'm gonna turn the steering wheel just like this. Now it's a bit tricky to remove the airbag. I'm gonna use a big flathead screwdriver, and I'm gonna position it in this hole right here on the back of the steering wheel. Now I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise, and as you can see right here, the one side of the airbag has just popped out. I'm gonna turn the steering wheel the other way so I can gain access to the other side. Also keep in mind that you might need a bit more leverage, and for that you can use a pair of pliers, as I'm gonna do right now. Again, I'm gonna repeat the process, and I'm gonna turn the screwdriver counterclockwise. And there you go, the airbag is out. I'm gonna pull the airbag all the way out, and I'm gonna unplug these two connectors. You got two clips on each side, just press on them and pull the connectors out. Just like that. You only need to undo this connector to remove the steering wheel. Press on the small pin with a flathead screwdriver and just pull it out. To get to the main nut, first you gotta remove this piece of plastic right here. And there's the 24mm nut. I'm gonna hold the steering wheel with my knees, and I'm gonna use my big ratchet, big extension, and 24mm socket to undo the main nut. Now do not remove it all the way. Leave it on and tap on the steering wheel to get it loose first. Now I'm gonna remove the nut and the steering wheel, and I'm gonna guide all of these wires through this access hole so none of the wires and connectors get damaged. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfisti.